my name is Tahra. I'm a licensed nail technician and nail artist, and today I'm going to show you guys how to create some beautiful nail art using IBD's collections. Stay tuned and make sure you watch till the end. So after our one layer of coconuts for you, we're going to take a series of the colors and create a light brushing strokes for an abstract base of the nail. So to do so, I'm going to start with the IBD Post-Holiday Blues, and I'm going to take that brush, I'm going to dry that brush out a little bit, and I'm just going to get some light brush strokes to create some beautiful abstract color blending in the base of our nail. So now I'm going to grab our Toptional, and I'm going to go ahead and dry that brush out a little bit and start to lightly drag from the bottom. Once we get to this point, I would actually like to pop that in for a cure, and then we will continue with all of the other colors and putting them all over the nail. So here's our final look of our brush strokes. And now we're going to go in and add a little bit of gold accents with Dip Your Toes. Now that our base is finished, we're going to now start to add some black and white accents to the nail. To finish, we're just going to top it off with our IBD top coat here, which is a really superior clear coat, and that will finish our nail. Alright, so here is our design fresh out of the light. I'm going to take an alcohol and a lint-free wipe and take off the tacky layer of this top coat, and here's our final design.